Hello, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks very much for joining us for our short week and our weather forecast for it. And there is not a lot going on, at least not until the weekend. Then things do get stormy. But this week itself, pretty settled thanks to this big high, which is starting to roll in. So any places that still have a bit of a breeze, that should fade away over the next 12 to 24 hours. As we go through Wednesday, the winds might start to pick up a little bit again in the south. It's only going to push temperatures up. Look at the departure from normal. The areas in red, 4 to 8 degrees above where you should be for this time of year. And it's going to expand further as we get in towards Thursday. This is how Wednesday looks. Look at that. Big high pressure tracking in right across the country, light winds, a very light easterly at the top of the country, a very light westerly at the bottom, all anticyclonic. See that rubbish building out over there towards Australia? That's what's coming in for us at the weekend. But Wednesday itself looks pretty calm. Another map I wanted to show you for Wednesday, look at the cloud on this map showing pretty much clear skies in the middle here, and the clouds just get thicker the further you get away from the central part of the country. So cloudy around parts of coastal Southland, cloudy in parts of the far north, a little bit of cloud around the Coromandel with that light easterly wind. Otherwise, high pressure dominates for Wednesday. Now by Thursday, the high slips off a little bit for the South Island, but the winds will be warm. So you've got a warmer than average day once again, perhaps even warmer for some of you in the east and the north of the South Island as that subtropical wind comes in. So it might be a sou'wester on some of your forecasts, but it's really a subtropical sou'wester. By the time we reach Friday, the high even further out to sea, those subtropical breezes really are coming in across both islands, but it does look mainly dry as we head in towards the weekend. And the weekend, as I said, there could be some stormy weather. Well, we've got a storm down here in the Southern Ocean, 962 hectopascals, actually down to about 930 right now, southwest of Australia. But by the time we're into the weekend on Saturday, just off the Southland coast, a burst of heavy rain. Remember, there's that subtropical portion in front of it. So heavy rain and strong winds through central New Zealand, gale force likely there. And by Sunday, well, the low is down here, the stormy system tracking further away from the country. There's a second area of low pressure, potentially helping to produce more rain as it moves up the country. Now, the drought zones get a little burst of this rain here or showers overnight Saturday going into Sunday. But I think Monday, because this is the Sunday setup, this is Monday's weather out at sea. I think that is more likely for those northern areas. And once again, another cold change on its way. It will start, you can see that dark blue line, colder Southern Ocean air coming in. So that arrives in the deep south on Sunday and then spreads across the rest of the country next Monday, next Tuesday. That's all from me. We will see you again tomorrow with the very latest.